Yeah guys, good morning. It is raining and I am recording. So it's Sunday morning, we're heading to church. Then after church, I'll have to talk with you for a little minutes. Then after that, we'll have to discuss a little matters. It is actually raining. So let's get to the video. We have at last reached the church. We're in the church actually, but it is still raining. It is hardly raining, you can see. I don't know if you can see our potential lenses, but it's hardly raining. And it's Sunday, we have to praise God. After that, we get into another church and we talk some things in the middle. Just stay with me guys. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Peace. Oh guys, actually I was waiting for a phone call to the second church I'm going, but it seems until now there's no phone call. So we'll be staying here in school for some time, then we'll see how it goes. If I'll be leaving, I'll record it for you. So guys, I got a early phone call. I have to go to the mass, the Ibada. So I'm on the road waiting for the boda to be here so I can go there. That's all it is.
Hayo yote ni nini? Ni matuo. Anakwambia sasa nimekuwa matuo mawili. Umeongeza familia, labda umeongeza shamba, umeongeza kiwanja, umeongeza matuo. Kwa hiyo mimi nataka kukwambia unalo neno la shukrani.
Hello guys, actually the mass is over, ibada imekwisha, and we are now leaving to go home. So that's nice. I record the way. Bye bye church. Yeah. So guys, it's actually approaching night. This is the end of our video. We had a great day, Sunday. I had no time to talk a lot of things, so I hope you enjoyed the day. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Yeah. See you in the next video. Peace out.